Chime offers two features that help members manage their finances. Spotme and Mypay. These two services have different purposes. Spotme is a fee-free overdraft service for eligible members. When a member's balance is low, Chime provides the necessary funds up to a certain limit, which can range from $20 to $200, depending on their account history and direct deposit activity. This service is available for debit card purchases and cash withdrawals, but not for other transactions like bill payments or transfers. The overdraft amount can be repaid on the member's next deposit, and Chime does not charge interest or overdraft fees. On the other hand, Mypay allows members to access their paychecks early when they set up direct deposit with Chime. With this feature, members can receive their paychecks up to 2 days earlier than their usual payday, depending on when their employer or benefit provider submits the payment file to Chime. Mypay does not act as an overdraft. It simply accelerates access to funds that have already been earned. In summary, Spotme provides a buffer when funds are low, while Mypay enables members to access their paychecks earlier. The key difference between the two services is that Spotme helps in emergency situations, whereas Mypay provides earlier access to earned income.